Dear children of class 4, once again let's come back to our English grammar class, grammar way of class 4. And in the last class, I have discussed the chapter 2, common and proper nouns. I have discussed details on common nouns and proper nouns, and I have told you to write common nouns with the examples, proper noun with the examples. So I hope you are doing sincerely your homework at home. So dear children, now let's open our book on page 5. We shall discuss exercises. Page number 5. So look at the question number A. Match these common nouns with their proper nouns. One has been done for you. Match these common nouns. See, here in this left side you will see the common nouns, and the right side you will see the proper noun. So you have to match with the proper noun, common noun with the proper noun. So dear children, one is done for you. Country, Myanmar. Then continent. Where is the continent? In the proper noun, Africa. Then book. Book is the Mahabharata. Then festival. Festival. Here which is the festival? Eid al-Fitr. Then language. Where is the language? Telugu. Then river, the Yamuna. Did you understand? Then look at question number B. Fill in the blanks with proper nouns. One has been done for you. Fill in the blanks with the proper noun. Proper noun means particular or specific name of person, place, animals or thing. So dear children, read these sentences and fill in the blanks. Your best friend's name is Mridula Chakko. So you can write your best friend name. Then second question, your father's name. Definitely your father's name is the particular name of your father. What special name you have given to your father? Write down the name of your father. Then your mother's name. Write down the name of your mother. Then your favorite city in the country. You write down your favorite city in the country. Okay? Then question number 5. Name of the Prime Minister of your country. So you have to write down the name of the Prime Minister of our country. of India. Then question number 6, name of the president of your country. Who is the president of our country? You have to write down the name. Okay, did you understand? Then let us go to page number 6. Look at the question number C. Underline the common nouns. So you have to underline the common nouns. Means put the line at the common noun. So underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. You have to make a circle on the proper nouns. In these sentences, first sentence has been done for you. Look at the question number 1. We went to the cinema to watch Incredible 2. So here cinema is the common noun, common name of place. Then to watch Incredible 2. Incredible is the special or particular or specific name of the movie. So dear children, you have to underline the common noun and circle the proper nouns. So Imphal is the capital of Manipur. So Imphal here is the name of particular place. Okay, so you have to circle Imphal and the capital all is common noun, general name of the place of Manipur. Manipur again, Manipur is the special name of the place. So you have to circle the proper noun and underline the common noun. Then Rishabh went to the shop with his mother. Rishabh is the special or particular name of person, so you have to circle. Then went to the shop. Shop is the common noun. Shop is a common noun. You have to underline with his mother. Mother also is the common noun. You have to underline it. So dear children, I hope you understood, and for your homework, do by yourselves. So question number 4, 5, 6. Then activity. This is for your activity. So you have to read this. In order to solve this activity, you have to watch some videos, or you have to read some stories, children's stories. So what is written? Solve the crossword with the help of the clues. The clues means the answer is given, means not the answer. Of course, you have given the guidelines are given in the textbook, so you have to read this guideline and answer the following question. So all your answers are famous character from the popular children's story. So I hope, dear children, you are watching the children's story. There are many children stories are available in the YouTube, or you have to see in the videos. See, one has been done for you. Number 1, Rapunzel. Let us see the clue. Does Hush very long golden hair? So if you have watched, if you have seen this story or read, then you can answer. If you have not read, you cannot answer. So dear children, this is your activity and you have to do. So dear children, I hope you understood. We will meet in the next class. Okay, thank you.